You've probably noticed something big happening on YouTube lately. Faceless 3D AI animation videos are exploding in popularity. Channels that were created just a few months ago are now pulling millions of views and gaining thousands of subscribers. Many of them are even already monetized. This niche is not saturated yet. There are only a few creators out there, which means this is a perfect opportunity for you to create a new channel and build your own empire. The best part is, these videos are super simple to make. They take less than an hour to create, and you don't need years of experience or long hours of editing. After testing almost every major AI tool out there, I have finally created a blueprint that actually works. And trust me, when you see the final video, you won't be able to tell it was made with AI. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything from setting up your first video. By the end, you will know exactly how to step into this niche and start growing your own faceless channel. First, copy the channel name prompt from the description. Paste it into ChatGPT and hit generate. In a few seconds, you'll get 10 channel name ideas made specifically for this niche. As you can see, they're pretty solid. Just pick the name you like the most. Next, copy the channel description prompt. Replace the channel name with the one you just chose, and your channel description will be ready. Copy everything and use it to set up your YouTube channel. Enter your channel name, choose a unique channel handle, and finally paste the description you created. That's all you need for this part. But once you scroll up, you'll notice we're still missing a channel logo. So let me show you how to create one that really stands out. Open the same ChatGPT session you used earlier. Copy the channel logo prompt from the description and hit generate. ChatGPT will return a ready-to-use prompt for creating your logo. Take that prompt and paste it into Google's Nano Banana. Nano Banana is a fast and powerful image generation tool. In just a few seconds, it will create the logo you need. Download the image and upload it to your channel. Now it's time to start creating your own video. For this part, we need two things: an image prompt and a video prompt. I've already attached the full prompt in the document, so you don't have to write anything from scratch. Just copy the entire final prompt from the document and paste it into a new ChatGPT chat. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will ask you one simple question. Please enter the name of the food or drink. After you type in the name of the drink you want to use, ChatGPT will generate everything for you. It will give you a scene-by-scene image prompt and a complete video generation prompt that you can use for the next steps in your video creation process. Now that you're ready with both the image and video prompts, it's time to turn those scenes into actual visuals. Copy the image prompt and go to Gemini Image Creation Model. From there, select Create Image, then paste your prompt and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, Gemini will give you a high-quality, 3D rendered, medical-style anatomical image based on your prompt. Repeat this process for every scene in your script. Generate all the images you need and download them to your device. For this step, we're going to use the Grok Imagine model to turn your images and prompts into a full video. First, go to Grok Model. If you already have a Twitter account, just sign in. If not, create a quick account and then sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, upload the images you created earlier using Gemini or Nano Banana. After that, copy the video prompt you got from ChatGPT and paste it into Grok Imagine. Hit enter, and in less than a minute, this model gets you the video ready. One great thing about Grok Imagine is that if you don't like the first result, you can redo it as many times as you want until you're satisfied. Once the video looks good to you, simply download it. It's really that simple. The voiceover is one of the most important parts of your video. A good voiceover can increase watch time and keep viewers engaged. Let's start with DubDub. First, go to dubdub.com. If you already have an account, just sign in. Else, click on Start a 3-day free trial and sign up. Once you're on the home page, click on AI voiceover. From there, explore the available voices. Preview different options and choose the one that fits your video style. Now copy your script from ChatGPT and paste it into DubDub. One big advantage of DubDub is that it lets you make the voice sound more human. You can adjust pauses, emotions, and delivery to make it feel natural, but it stays behind in the free trial. It only offers a 3-day trial with 10 credits per day, which can feel limiting if you're creating multiple videos. That's where ElevenLabs comes in as a strong alternative. ElevenLabs gives you 10,000 credits every month, and these credits refresh monthly, making it a great option for long-term use. The voice quality is excellent, and the process is simple and fast. Open ElevenLabs and go to the Voices section. On the top right, you'll see a filter option. Click it and set language as English, accent as American, category as social media, gender as male, then click Apply Filter. You'll now see a list of voices. Preview them and choose the one that fits your style. Next, copy your script from ChatGPT. Go back to ElevenLabs and click on Text-to-Speech. Paste your script, preview the audio, and once you're happy with it, download the voiceover. Both DubDub and ElevenLabs have their own advantages and disadvantages. DubDub is great for short-term use and voice customization. ElevenLabs is better if you want more credits and consistent voiceovers every month. In the end, it depends on your needs. Choose the tool that fits your workflow and budget best. For editing, you can use CapCut. Once you're inside CapCut, upload all your video and audio clips. First, place the voiceover on the timeline. Then add the video clips on top, based on the script. Make sure the clips are merged scene by scene, matching them perfectly with the voiceover. You'll notice that the clips have a green background. To remove this, use CapCut's background remover. Once the background is removed, the video will look clean and more realistic. If you want to take it a step further, you can also add your own custom background to make the scene feel even more natural. Next, add a black overlay shade at the top and bottom of the video. This helps the on-screen text stand out more clearly. Now go to the captions section and choose a style you like. Apply the captions to your video and adjust them so they match the clips perfectly, scene by scene. And that's it. You now know the exact process to create faceless 3D AI animation videos from start to finish. Everything you need is already in front of you. The tools, the process, and the blueprint. I've shared more tutorials and free resources on this channel, so make sure to check them out next. So don't overthink it. Start today, stay consistent, and keep building.